Peace. Supreme Moonbeam in the house. Yo, check out my channel. Learn the true nature and personality of people around you according to the cosmos. I got an extensive free course on astrology, and you could develop your psychic abilities with my free course on how to use tarot cards. Also, I go into some esoteric religions and practices like Buddhism, witchcraft, and voodoo. We're going to take a trip through the shadow world and develop our spiritual and mental strengths together. You're going to appreciate the art I put into my videos. And also, you're going to learn knowledge that existed for thousands of years from Europe, Africa, Asia, the Americas, and all those other beautiful places. Now is the time to raise our vibrations and escape the ignorance and chaos that's destroying and dividing us. Go to my channel, Supreme Moonbeam, or you can check out my videos organized with text descriptions on my website, suprememoonbeam.com. Peace.